Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to make a basic model in Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal with the help of punch tool command, or you can say the forming tool command. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to file, go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter. Now go to 2D sketch, select the exact plane. It will be the top plane, rotate it. Okay. Now from here select the 2 point center rectangle, go to the center point, make a rectangle. Now go to dimensions, give this dimension as 500 and this as 300. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to face command. It will make the base of the sheet. We want it do not want to flip, so these are for flipping the side. You can see the view from here. Click the right plane. As you can see, the sheet is going upwards. If you want it downwards, you can just go to flip side, it will go downwards. Or if you want from middle, click on this both sides, but we need it upwards, so go to home and apply. Now we need to change the sheet thickness. So for changing the sheet thickness, go to sheet metal defaults. To change it, uncheck this and write here 1 and apply. The by default sheet thickness in Autodesk Inventor is 0.5 mm. Now we will make the side profiles, the flange profile. Go to flange command, select the side flange. So here you have to notice you have to select the upper edge. If you select the bottom edge, the flange will go downwards. So select the upper edge. Now give the dimension. The dimension will be 250. Remain in this command and click here to select another edge. Select this upper edge. This is also 250 mm and apply. Now select this side edge and this side edge. So the dimension here will be 150 mm, but here we want to change the bending. We will go for bend from adjacent face. I'll show you the difference. At present the sheet is bending where the sheet is the ending. The bend is inside the sheet. When we go for bend from adjacent face, the bend will be outside the sheet. Okay, and apply. This will be applied both sides and apply. Okay. Now we will select this inner edge and make it inside the bend face, and this inner edge, I will rotate it, this inner edge, change the dimension to 25 mm. Okay, we took this outside to make this sheet metal. Okay, we have to do it this side also. So select edges and select here, rotate and select here. Now okay, it is applied all the four sides. Now we will give this taper, or you can say the chamfer, go to corner chamfer, keep the dimension as 75. From here we will select one distance. You can have three options: one distance, distance and angle, and two distance. So we need 75 like this and 75 like this. So now here go to corners and select this corner. It will show you the cutting profile. Similarly here, rotate here and similarly here and apply. Now select this face. Now we will apply this punch tool. Select this face and go to 2D sketch. Now go to point command, make 3 points. Okay. Now go to dimensions. Give dimension from outside will be 75. Similarly, this dimension from outside will be 75. Okay. Now go to constraints. Go to horizontal constraint. To make it constrained, click on this edge. Click on this point. This is fully constrained. The color change to black. Similarly, select this point with constraint with this. Select this point, constraint with this. Now this is also fully defined. Now this one is not fully defined. So go to vertical constraint to stop this upside movement. So click here and click this point. This is also vertically constrained. Now go to rectangular pattern. Select all the 3 points. It will ask you the direction. For direction, select this edge. As the pattern is going upwards, from here flip the direction. Take a count of 9 and the distance between each will be 20 and OK. Now finish sketch. Now go to punch tool. Okay. Yes, go to punch tool. Select punch 32, which we have made in previous video. You can watch that video in our Autodesk Inventor playlist. The link will be there in the description. So we will select punch 32. From here we will change the size. The size I will put as 8 mm and the length will be same and finish. Okay. Now similar profile we have to make on another side. So rotate it. Select this face. Go to 2D sketch. Make 3 points once again. 1, 2, 3. Now give the horizontal constraint first with respect to this point. Now these will be horizontal to this point. Okay. Now go to dimensions. From outer will be 75. Similarly, this from outer 75, and from vertical constraint this point and this center point. Now go to rectangular pattern once again. Select all 3 points. Give the direction from this edge. Flip the direction of pattern. Count of 9 and the gap of 20 mm and OK. Now finish sketch. Go to punch tool once again. Select the punch 32. OK. Now we have to change the size. So go to size. and now change it to 8. Okay, go to preview. Okay, this point is extra, so delete it. Or you can skip it in punch tool. Punch tool 32, and as you can see, it is also been selected. So control plus click, it will get deselected. Now go to size, take the size as 8 and finish sketch. Okay, now this is made. Now we want to make slots over here as been shown in this. So select this face, go to 2D sketch, go to rectangle. From here we will select center to center slot, make a slot profile over here. Now give the dimensions. From outside, this slot is 40 mm, and from this slot is height of 25 mm, and from top face this center point will be at 50 mm, and the slot width is of 10 mm. Now go to rectangular pattern, select this slot, give the first direction. The gap will be of 30 and the count of 15. Okay, now as you can see here, there are two pattern lines. So the second direction will be this edge and the gap of 50, and okay. Okay, now go to 3D model, go to extrude command, normal, and select this whole pattern. Now as you can see, this is getting extrude towards this side. So from here flip the direction, now it is getting the cut profile, or you can simply select here for cut, and from here we will select through wall. So this pattern will be made on this wall as well, and okay. So this was the last. Okay, this the mounting is left. To make this mounting, go to flange command once again, select this edge. As you can see, this is only at small portion. So from here go to advanced setting. From here we will select the width. We need a width of 50 mm, and the height or the distance of the flange will be 50 mm. Rotate the view. Similarly we will make over here. Okay, this is made one at a time, so apply here. Now rotate view and apply here. Don't get out from the command, exit it. Now go to corner round. Now give the dimension as 25 and select here. Select this edge and select this edge. To complete it, for complete round, we are taking a radius of 25. 25 plus 25 will make a complete round at that 50, and apply. Now rotate the view, select this edge and select this edge 25 radius and apply. Now select the top face and go to 2D sketch. Select the center circle and make a circle of dia 15 mm. Similarly here a circle of dia 15 mm. Now go to constraint. We will here select the concentric constraint. Select this outer file and this. Now this is fully defined. The center point of this radius and this will be same. Similarly this circle and this outer file concentric constraint. For now the sketch is fully constrained and finish. Now here take the cut command. Select this circle and this circle. As you can see, the cutting red line is being shown. It will cut up to thickness of depth of 1 mm and OK. Now go to home. You can flip the direction from here. OK, the same is here. Now the model is complete. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel.